In this video, I'll show you how to give your Windows 11 desktop a clean and beautiful Glass Everforest look with a simple customization steps. We will transform the Start menu, taskbar, and overall desktop appearance for a modern and elegant experience. This is what your Windows 11 will look like after the end of this video. So let's get started and customize Windows 11 together. First, create a restore point before making any changes. This gives you a safe backup option in case anything goes wrong during the customization. Next, install the theme tool and follow the on-screen setup process to complete the installation. Extract the Everforest theme files for Windows 11 and keep the extracted folder ready for the next customization steps. Now open the Everforest theme for Windows 11. Then go to the Windows 11 themes. Now select all and copy it and go to the C drive. Now click here Windows, search for resources, now click themes and paste it all here. You can use any theme tools from here. Now click here the install bug and install it for everyone. And we need to change Explorer. Follow through the installation process. Now we also need some changes from advanced section. Now we need to change taskbar styler. Follow the on-screen setup process to complete the installation. Click here the World New Explorer and copy it. Go to the document and paste it here. Now right click on Old New Explorer CFG, click the Run as Administrator and follow through the installation process. Now let's take a look at how much Windows 11 has changed after applying the Old New Explorer CFG. Now we need to extract a release x64 and copy the release file. And go to the documents and paste it here. We need to change our config. We need to change the RGB. Follow the on-screen steps. Now click it save. And we need to run the register and click here run. Now click here Everforest Theme for Windows 11. Now click the 7STP. And we need to rename the 7TSP Everforest. Follow the on-screen setup process. And click here yes, we need to change it. Now we need to click here 7TSP GUI. Right click on it and click here run as administrator. Click here add a custom pack. Now go to the desktop. Now click here Everforest theme for Windows 11 by Vinstar. Now click the 7GSP Everforest and right click on it and click here open. Click here yes. We need some time and the system will be end soon. And you need to reboot here. Click yes and it will be reboot and the system will be changed soon. Then click the system has been patched. OK. Now see your disk drive and all files are changing here. Next, download and install Nexus to add a clean and stylish dock to your Windows 11 desktop and follow the on-screen setup process to complete the installation. Now we need to unzip the Everforest dock by Vinstar. Now open it and right click on it and cut it. Then go to the disk drive and click the documents. Then new step. Now click here the Nexus and click here the backgrounds and paste it here. This is quite an old theme, so some things have changed a lot in Windows 11. Now copy the indicators. Now I need to paste here. Now open the Everforest theme for Windows 11. See how many tools here. Now right click on it and copy it. Then go to the local disk C and paste it here. Now click here Nexus and go to the advanced cup. Now click here restore. Follow the on-screen setup process. Now you can change the themes here. Search here for Everforest theme and click the Everforest. Then click here OK. Now open the task manager and search for Nexus to see how much RAM and system resources it is using. And that's it. We have successfully customized Windows 11 with the Glass Everforest theme and added a stylish Nexus dock. I hope you enjoyed this simple customization. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.